Hello everyone, welcome back once again to Lydia's Kitchen. In this video I share with you how to make simple and delicious goat meat cabbage stew, and I hope you like and enjoy this recipe. Please remember to subscribe, like and also share. So without wasting much time, let's get started. To a saucepan I will add the goat meat, and to it I will add blended ginger, garlic and onion, vegetable seasoning and badia seasoning powder. So I'll go ahead and give it a stir, and I'll let it simmer on a medium heat for about 15 to 20 minutes until it's well cooked. So at this point our goat meat is well done. So next I'm going to go ahead and fry it. So at this point I'm going to fry it and set it aside. So I'm going to use the same oil that I've used to fry the goat's meat. So to it I'm going to add some sliced onions and also ginger, garlic and onion paste. Next I'll give it a stir and I'll allow it to saute for about 5 to 10 minutes. Next I'll go ahead and add in dry rosemary and I'll give it a stir. I'll now add in a tablespoon of chili powder and also a tablespoon of paprika powder. Next I'll add in crushed tomatoes. I'll also add some of the goat's meat stock that I used to cook the goat's meat. So I'll give it a quick stir and cover and let it simmer for another 5 to 10 minutes. So at this point it's well cooked. I'll go ahead and add in curry powder, coriander powder and cumin powder. And I'll give it a stir and add in the fried goat meat. So next I'll go ahead and add in the vegetable seasoning and I'll give it a stir. Next I'll go ahead and add in chopped cabbage and I'll give it a stir. Next I'll add in carrots. So I'm going to go ahead and stir it all together until it's well incorporated. I'll now add in chopped onions and some chopped scallions. I'm going to allow it to simmer on a low heat for another 5 minutes. So at this point our goat meat cabbage stew is all done and it's so tasty and delicious. So I hope you have enjoyed this recipe. I'm serving it with some plain rice and I hope you give it a try. Thank you all so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.